Hey guys and gals of the world, what's going on? Kaikane here once again. Today's episode is about, do you need a degree to teach English in Japan? And of course, the answer is yes. Y-E-S. Yes, 100%. Each day I get thousands of emails from you cats all around the world, and the number one question recently that I've been getting asked is, do you need a degree to teach English abroad? And more specifically, do you need a degree to teach English in Japan? Although I do know quite a bit of guys and gals in Japan who are teaching and have been teaching for many, many years, ranging from 10 to 20 plus, who do not have a degree. However, in recent times, they have gotten a little more stricter, and they do require a degree 100%. They will check, they will verify with the transcripts and a certified copy of your degree when you apply for your working visa here in Japan. And the next big question is, what kind of degree do you need to teach English in Japan? And that's basically any damn degree you have or can think of, basically. You do not need to be majoring or have majored in English to teach English abroad in any country, and especially in Japan. As long as you have a 4-year bachelor's degree from any accredited university in your native English-speaking country, you are 100% A-OK and good to go to find a teaching job here in Japan at a language school, a university, a cram school, or what have you. Now, on the flip side to this coin, if you are in a relationship, i.e. being married to a Japanese national, whether you're a man or a woman, and you do apply for a job, teaching job here in Japan, they may not require you to have a degree, as you already will have a visa being married to your spouse. So, plain and simple, if you plan on coming to Japan, the coolest place in the world to teach English, in 2018, you will need a 4-year degree from an accredited university in your country. The major is not so important. However, of course, if you really want to get down and dirty in the English teaching profession, and if you have a degree majoring in English or linguistics, what have you, then you are on top of your game. If you do not have a degree and you want to teach English in Japan really bad, I suggest you get in touch with me for a private one-on-one consultation, and then I can give you the best advice possible that can help you with your situation. For those of you who are on your way to Japan or getting ready to get over to Japan, just make sure you have a certified copy of your degree from your accredited university, as well as your transcripts, because immigration does tend to ask for those. Therefore, be prepared and have them ready. It's also a good idea to have about 2 or 3 extra copies just in case, because sometimes when you give them to immigration, they may tend to forget them, etc., etc. For those of you gents and lasses that do not have a degree, don't be discouraged about teaching English abroad. If you really want to teach English abroad and capture your dream and get rich teaching English, which is what all of my videos and book and consultations are all about, stay focused. Don't give up, keep at it, and keep studying until you graduate. Japan is always here, the jobs are always here, and the money is always here. So stay focused, stay hungry, stay trained. And be sure to check out my website, GetRichTeachingEnglish.com, and get my book if you haven't. Also, don't forget, I do provide Skype and email consultations, one-on-one, and also resume revamp, edit, and reference services to help you on your journey of getting rich teaching English abroad. I apologize for the scatter chatter during this video. There's something wrong with my phone. But anyways, you guys and gals have a lovely night. I'm about to crash out. I got a long day of teaching tomorrow. Got about 12 classes full on and making about $700-800 tomorrow. So y'all have a nice day and nice night. Till next time, keep it real, stay focused. Peace out. Bye.